Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce obesity with Jenny Craig, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what obesity is and its health implications. Recognize the importance of seeking a structured plan for weight loss. Consider Jenny Craig as a personalized approach to weight management. Visit the Jenny Craig website or a local center to learn more about their offerings. Schedule an initial consultation with a weight loss coach to discuss your goals. During the consultation, detail your health history and dietary preferences. Receive a customized meal plan based on your individual needs and lifestyle. Start incorporating Jenny Craig meals into your daily routine. Track your meals and snacks to maintain accountability. Use the resources provided, such as recipes and educational materials, to enhance your knowledge. Participate in regular coaching sessions for motivation and guidance. Set realistic and achievable weight loss goals during your journey. Involve physical activity into your routine, aiming for at least 150 minutes per week. Stay engaged with the Jenny Craig community for support and encouragement. Adapt your plan as needed, with the help of your coach, for continuous progress. Monitor your weight and adjust your strategies based on results. Celebrate milestones to stay motivated and committed to your journey. Understand that long-term success requires lifestyle changes beyond the program. Remain patient and persistent, recognizing that sustainable weight loss takes time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.